Hello friend, welcome back. I'm Ashish Mahato and you are watching Technology for You. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your pen drive as RAM. This is not a permanent but this is a temporary by using pen drive, and when you are playing games or editing videos then your PC get hanged. This is because this is happened by uh, your PC RAM and your PC processor. When your PC RAM is very low, then your PC get hanged and or processor rising. So in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your RAM as temporary, not a permanent. Okay, so let's start. You need to insert your pen drive above 4 GB or 4 GB in your PC. Then go on my computer. Here you can see 16 GB. I have 16 GB pen drive, and you can see here nothing in this pen drive, and I'm going to make this pen drive as RAM. So click here and right click and go on properties and click and go on ready boost and speed of your system by utilizing the available space on this device. Tick on use this device, and you must know that 1024 MB equal to 1 GB, and we are going to make 4 GB RAM. So 4094, mm, this is 4 GB. Then click on apply and wait for a minute. After that, click on OK, and you can see here our pen drive is changed into RAM. When I open this, you can see here ready boost. Yeah, this is the option. This occur 4 GB, yeah, from my pen drive, and this is a 4 GB RAM as temporary, not a permanent. When I edit my videos, my computer PC have 2 GB, only 2 GB RAM. Then I used to insert my pen drive when I edit my videos or playing games. So you can use it on your PC. So if you think this video help you, so please guys like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.